Hello crochet lovers, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to learn how to crochet granny square with simple instruction. Treble crochet, double crochet, single crochet are used in this pattern. If you are new to this channel or are you a beginner to the crochet, please go and check out the basic videos I have uploaded in this channel. You will feel comfortable after that. Come, let's start our video. I'm using 3.5mm hook and normal decay yarn. Begin with split knot. Now do chain 6. After chain 6, insert the hook on the first chain and do split stitch. That's all. Now from here we are going to begin round 1. Do chain 6. In this, first 4 chain indicate as treble crochet and extra 2 chains. After chain 6, do treble crochet, yarn over twice on the hook, inside pull a loop. Now yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through another 2 loops, again yarn over, pull through another 2 loops. We got our first treble crochet stitch. Like this we are going to do 4 more treble crochet stitch here. Totally we have to do 5 treble crochet stitch here. After 5 treble crochet stitch, do chain 2. After chain 2, 5 more treble crochet stitch. We are going to repeat this all over. 5 treble crochet stitch, chain 2, another 5 treble crochet stitch. Like this we are going to repeat in this round 1. After 5 treble crochet stitch, chain 2, again 5 treble crochet stitch here. After 5 treble crochet, chain 2. Now do 4 treble crochet stitch here. Because we have done 4 chains in the beginning, so we have to do 4 treble crochet stitch. After 4 treble crochet stitch, do split stitch on 4th chain. That's all, completed our first round. Now chain 1, this chain 1 is not counted. In this chain 2 space, do 1 single crochet stitch like this. Now mark this single crochet stitch. After this, do chain 6. After chain 6, another single crochet stitch on next chain 2 space. Again repeat chain 6. After chain 6, single crochet stitch on next chain 2 space. Like this we're going to repeat all over this round. After single crochet, again chain 6. Single crochet stitch on next chain 2 space. Chain 6. Now do split stitch on that mark first single crochet stitch and complete this round 2. Now chain 4. This chain 4 indicate as treble crochet stitch. Now do 4 treble crochet stitches in this chain 6 space. You have to do 5 treble crochet stitch. This chain 4 also indicate as treble crochet, so we have to do 4 treble crochet stitch. Totally we have to do 5 treble crochet stitches. After 4 treble crochet, do chain 2. Again 5 treble crochet stitch on the same chain 6 space. Five treble crochet, chain 2, 5 treble crochet done on the first chain 6 space. Like this we have to repeat on next chain 6 space. 5 treble crochet stitch, chain 2, 5 treble crochet stitch on the next chain 6 space. After this we have to repeat this for another 2 chain 6 space. 5 treble crochet stitch, chain 2, 5 treble crochet stitch. We have completed this round. Now do split stitch on begin chain 4 space. After split stitch, fasten off this yarn, chain 2, leave some yarn, cut and pull this yarn and pull this chains downwards. That's it, we have fastened off our yarn. Now join another color yarn on this single crochet stitch. From here begin round 4, chain 1. This chain 1 is not counted. Now do 1 treble crochet stitch on the same single crochet stitch. After treble crochet, do 3 double crochet on the same single crochet stitch. After double crochet, do 1 treble crochet on the single crochet stitch. Look, treble crochet, 3 double crochet, another treble crochet done on first single crochet stitch. Now do 4 treble crochet, chain 2, 4 treble crochet on chain 2 space. After 4 treble crochet, chain 2, another 4 treble crochet on the same chain 2 space. We have completed. Now again repeat 1 treble crochet, 3 double crochet, another treble crochet on next single crochet stitch. One treble crochet, 3 double crochet, another treble crochet on the same single crochet stitch. After this, we're going to repeat this 4 treble crochet, chain 2, 4 treble crochet on chain 2 space. Like this we are going to repeat here. After this batch, we're going to repeat this all over this round. On this single crochet stitch, we're going to do treble crochet, 3 double crochet, another treble crochet on this single crochet stitch. On this chain 2 space, do 4 treble crochet, chain 2, 4 treble crochet. Like this we're going to repeat all over this round. After completing this round, do split stitch on begin treble crochet stitch. After this, fasten off yarn. That's all. Now join another color yarn on this first space. Now do chain 1. This chain 1 is not counted as a stitch. Now do 5 treble crochet stitch on this first space. After 5 treble crochet, do another 5 treble crochet on next space. After 5 treble crochet, do 5 treble crochet, chain 2, 5 treble crochet on this corner chain 2 space. Chain 2, 5 treble crochet. Like this we're going to repeat all over this round. On this middle 2 space, we're going to fill with 5 treble crochet stitch. In this corner chain 2 space, we're going to fill with 5 treble crochet, chain 2, 5 treble crochet. Now fill this space, first space, with 5 treble crochet stitch. And another 5 treble crochet stitch on next space here. After 5 treble crochet, fill this corner chain 2 space with 5 treble crochet, chain 2, 5 treble crochet stitch here. After that, fill this middle 2 space with 5 treble crochet stitch. Like this we're going to repeat all over this round. After completing this round, do split stitch on first treble crochet stitch. After split stitch, fasten off yarn. Now sieve all the excess yarn backwards by use of crochet needles. That's it, we have completed our granny square. Look how easy it is. You can also continue this pattern by just filling this space gap. On this middle space, filled with 5 treble crochet, and the corner chain 2 space filled with 5 treble crochet, chain 2, 5 treble crochet. Like this you can continue throughout your desired pattern. This is a simple granny square pattern. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, if you like my way of explanation, please like, share and subscribe to this channel and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you for watching.